The Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation has donated drugs worth millions of naira to the Nasarawa state government following the tanker explosion, the gas explosion that killed 14 persons and injured several others in Lafia, that's the state capital. The NNPC Group Executive Director, Corporate Services, Issa Inuwa, made the donation when he paid a condolence visit to Governor Tanko Almakura of Nasarawa State. Our correspondent there, Godwin Agwam, reports.
September the 10th, 2018 would remain indelible in the minds of residents of Lafia, the capital of Nasarawa State. The events of the ill-fated day has continued to attract sympathy and empathy from Nigerians and public-spirited individuals from across the globe. It prompted the visit of a delegation from the NNPC to the Nasarawa state government. The delegation donated drugs, helping alleviating the sufferings of the burn victims.
As a responsible corporate citizen and as a leader in the oil and gas industry, has deemed it fit to donate a consignment of medicine and medicaments to the government and people of Nasarawa State towards the treatment and care of the victims of the gas explosion. The consignment contains intravenous fluids, burns dressing materials, antibiotics, analgesics, multivitamins, antimalarials.
The Nasarawa state government says the September the 10th incident has put the state in trauma.
As a matter of fact, what we saw during that incident was something that was so pathetic that has put a lot of us in trauma also for a very long time.
The government assured officials of the NNPC that the relief materials would get to the victims.
I tell you that we will ensure that those victims and their families access this support as much as possible.
The governor has just collected the items, and then I am going to ensure the proper custody, and then in conjunction with other stakeholders, particularly in the medical field and the hospitals and the rest of them, we will see how we distribute these commodities.
Since the tanker gas explosion, the victims of the incident have continued to receive maximum support from the Nasarawa state government, which has expressed its readiness to fly patients abroad for treatment. Godwin Agwam, TVC News, Lafia, Nasarawa State.